What's up guys, welcome to 2018. We're gonna start this year off with another list video. This one's for a trip I did about 2 months ago to Napa City. I'm gonna show you 8 spots to explore in Napa, plus 3 places to eat. Let's do it. Alright, so recommendation number 1 is to explore the art scene in the city of Napa. There's tons going on for art enthusiasts all over the city. In the downtown area, there's something called the Downtown Art Walk, which has exhibits that change every 2 years. And if you get outside of the city, there's an awesome art gallery by an artist known as Huether. He makes large installation pieces that you've seen all over the United States, and it's an awesome place to go explore and see some of his pieces. My second recommendation is to get out and do a little hiking while in the city of Napa. I recommend Westwood Hills Park, which is on the west side of the city and which has a few small trails that lead to beautiful vistas. I recommend hiking here in the morning when it's less busy and easier to park and you can get some of that nice, cool Napa weather. Recommendation number 3 is also an active recommendation. Check out the downtown Napa biking scene. So in Napa, there's this area known as the River Walk. It's a great place to rent some bicycles and just get out and ride along the river. You can actually ride all the way up to see some wineries and vineyards, or you can just ride along the river at a leisurely pace, take it all in, and just enjoy a nice morning in the city. For my 4th stop, check out Oxbow Public Market. Oxbow Public Market is like a collection of pop-up restaurants in one large building with things ranging from oysters and donuts to Mexican food and shopping. It also has second locations to some of the valley's best food spots, like the Model Bakery where you can get an English muffin, or Gott's Roadside where you can get some good sandwiches and french fries. Bring your appetite though, because Oxbow always has a ton of things that you're gonna want to indulge in. Stop number 5 is to head over to Annette's Chocolates, which is in downtown right next to the Archer Hotel that just opened. This chocolate shop has a ton of stuff to pick from truffles to chocolate sauce, but my favorite thing to do here is a chocolate tasting. Make sure you have a group of a few people and you set this up in advance, but you can go into the back of the shop, learn about how chocolate's made, and try many different types of chocolate from all over the world. It's a ton of fun. Recommendation number 6 is to head to the Grape Crusher statue, which is a symbol of the Napa Valley. This statue is right along the highway, but I recommend you go at sunset. As the sun's setting behind the statue, it provides an amazing place for photography or just to sit on the bench and enjoy. You can visit the Grape Crusher statue anytime, but sunset's my favorite. From the Grape Crusher statue, we head to my 7th recommendation, which is going bowling at the Meritage Hotel. In the Meritage Hotel, they have a bar known as Crush, which has 3 to 4 bowling alleys, and it's an awesome place to spend an exciting evening in the city. I recommend reserving a bowling alley in advance, getting there, have a few drinks, maybe a few appetizers, and just enjoy bowling under the neon lights. For my last non-food recommendation, check out the 9/11 Memorial in downtown Napa. This is one of those things that I didn't even know existed before I went there, but it's a beautiful memorial dedicated to those that lost their lives in the tragedy. The memorial was created by Huether that we talked about earlier, and it's right in the downtown heart of Napa, so be sure to check it out. Alright, my 3 food recommendations as promised. First up, go over to Bounty Hunter and have beer can chicken. Beer can chicken from Bounty Hunter is one of those things that I think about to this day, even though I haven't had it in months. It's a perfectly cooked chicken, big enough to serve 4 people, and something that you're definitely going to want to check out while you're in the city. My second food recommendation is to head over to Alexis Baking Company, which is a really popular breakfast spot in the city. I recommend you go there on a weekday if you can, because during the weekends it can get crazy busy. When you go, be sure to order the lemon ricotta pancakes, which are served with seasonal fruit. When I went last, it was pears, and it's an exceptional breakfast. My last food recommendation is to head over to the Napa General Store. The General Store is located right on the Riverwalk underneath the famous Napa Mill, and it's a great place to have a nice lunch in the city. I recommend getting a sandwich there, and if you want to try some wine, the waiters seem to always know the best one to recommend. This is also a great area to sit out on the patio and be able to look out over the water and the rest of the Riverwalk. Obviously, there's tons more great spots to eat in Napa, such as Celadon and the Oxbow Market and many others, so be sure to let me know what your favorite is in the comments. Also, if I left anything else off of this guide, let me know that in the comments as well. And if you want to read more about the Napa Valley, go to CaliforniaThroughMyLens.com for more. We'll see you guys next week.